Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Hot Trades. If you're new to this channel and you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe. The purpose of these pre-market videos are for me to quickly scan the market every morning for top performing stocks and find out why they are doing so well. And I'll also be taking a look at the charts to see if they can give us any clues as to what direction these stocks are going to continue in. So let's get into it. This morning, I'm going to be taking a look at Greenland Technologies, High Cape Cap Acquisition, Avgr, and SOS is not on this list this morning, on the pre-market list this morning, but I know quite a few people are still in that stock. So I'm just going to be taking a look at that as well, just to give you guys a few key levels to pay attention to. So let's start off with Greenland Technologies, ticker symbol GTEC. These guys are up 170% this morning with just over 8.5 million shares traded already. So why these guys are performing really well this morning? So SOCMAR and Greenland Technologies signed a cooperation agreement to support U.S. production of electric industry vehicles. So that's why these guys are performing really well. Just reading a little bit more into this, Greenland Technologies Holding, a technology developer and manufacturer of electric industry vehicles and drivetrain systems for material handling machineries and vehicles, and Fujian South China heavy machinery manufacturer SOCMAR, a leading company specialized in designing, manufacturing, and distributing heavy industry machinery and vehicles, today announced a cooperation agreement to utilize SOCMAR's existing supply chain and certain technologies to support Greenland's production of electric industry vehicles in the United States. The agreement also represents a commitment by Greenland to invest in the U.S. as a key center of innovation in the global electric vehicle market. So that's why these guys are performing really well this morning, because of the cooperation. There's a little bit more to this. It goes a little bit more into more detail. If you want to go and read this on your own, please let me know, and I'll be sending you the link in the comment section. But that's why these guys are performing really well this morning, because of this partnership to build electric vehicles. So up next let's take a look at High Cape Cap Acquisition, ticker symbol CAPA. These guys are up just over 50% this morning with almost 2 million shares traded already. So why these guys are performing really well this morning? So High Cape Capital Acquisition, Quantum SI SPAC merger. So these guys are merging with Quantum SI deal pipe sponsored by investors including Foresight Capital Management LLC, Eldridge Accounts advised by ARK Invest, Glenview Capital Management LLC, and Redmile Group. So these guys are merging. So QuantumScape and the Spark. So the High Cape Capital, this is a Spark, right? For most of you already know that they're merging with QuantumScape, and that's why the stock is performing really well this morning. So moving on to the last one on the list here, we have Avgr. These guys don't necessarily have any company specific news. Like, nothing came out from the company itself about why the stock should be performing really well this morning. But just reading a lot of Facebook groups, Twitter groups, and Reddit groups, there's a lot of speculation that these guys are expecting a patent pretty soon, and so they're taking a patent for optical pressure sensor assembly. So those guys are taking advantage of that. Just short squeeze the stock. So this could possibly be a pump and dump, or it's most likely just a short squeeze. So I'm not sure what's going on, just because there's nothing really specific from the company. So looking at the charts for all three of these stocks, let's start off with SOS. So the level we were watching at before all of this started was the $10 level. We needed to break above the $10 level and stay above it. So we broke above the $10 level, and it seems like we're back testing now, right? So if this $10 is a good support level, it's from the previous high, and it is also a psychological level, right? So when you think of $10, like, it's a level it's an easy level for people to pay attention to. So if we can stay above the $10 level, if we can test it and not break it and then move higher from there, that would be really good. Just because if we break it below this $10 level, we could easily gap fill all the way back down here, right? So not quite sure how low this could go. So yeah, just be careful if you're in this already and you're in some nice profits. Yeah, just watch, pay attention to the $10 level. Don't be greedy. If you have some profits, maybe consider taking some profits. But yeah, so that's a level of paying attention to the $10 level. So next up we have GTEC. So these guys closed yesterday at $7.55, and this morning looking to open up 171% at just above $20. So that's a massive gap up already this morning. Again, same thing I say every morning. If you're in these companies, good job to you. If you're looking to get in, please be careful and do not buy the open, just because you never know what's going to happen. Like a 170% gap up is easy. Like for the guys that have been holding for a few days, even yesterday, might be looking to take profits right at the open. So you buying at the open, you might end up holding a bag, right? So let it open, let it settle, and then if it gives you signs that it's going to continue higher, you can maybe get in from there. So up next we have avgr. So this morning looking to open up just below around $2.80. My support level, which is also the previous high, is at $2.43. So $2.40 is the level I'm going to be paying attention to. If we can stay above that, that would be a good sign. And then, so yeah, that's it for that. And then lastly, we have Capa. These guys closed yesterday at $10.38 and looking to open up this morning just below $16. So that's a very nice gap up as well. But yeah, so I'm not quite sure. Again, same advice, like do not buy the open just because you never know what's going to happen. Let it settle, let it give you signs and clues to what direction it's going to continue in before you get in. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.